Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a prayer like a session for this love pain, yeah? Ooh.
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am working in my mini happy planner. I've switched out planners, so this is going to be my planner from July to December, hopefully. But yeah, so I did my planner refresh and this is my mini. I am going to be planning for the week of June 14th through the 20th. And so I'm going to go ahead and take these pages off of the disc. All right. Now, for today, I've pulled out my sticker book from the Bloom Be Happy box. This is My Garden is My Happy Place. So I'm going to see what I can do with this in this mini vertical layout. So I'll go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone, I'm going to stop right there. And yeah, so that's pretty cute. I really wish there were more of these flowers. They are so, so pretty. But, oh well. I'm going to go ahead and put these back on the disc. All right, we'll see what it looks like. All right, that's it. I like how that turned out. So, again, like I said, I wish I had more of these. They are so pretty. Okay, so guys, I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and put a comment down below. And if you want to see more of my videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.